Lincoln Mitchell, let me get into this really quick. I want y'all to pay attention to this line right here. I want to make this line right here. Now, this is very important. This is called lawyer talking in trade. Now, do you understand this closed at 47? I mean, high 56.1, closed 56.1. This opened at 56.2. I mean, closed at 56.1. So this right here is a resistance, right? So I want y'all to pay attention to this very closely. Now, here's the biggest issue when you're talking about lawyer talking in 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 trading. Y'all gotta excuse the kids, hold on. But this is lawyer talking. Okay, lawyer. Sorry, I had to run my kid away real quick. He's coming running to the office to tell me something. But okay. So now, here's the problem with lawyer talk. This is a big super trap of people who don't know how to trade. What's happening is this. Once this resistance closed here and closed there, technically, it never closed underneath this line. It opened, but it never closed underneath that line. Do you see what I'm saying? Let me repeat it now. Now, since this is resistance, you're looking for this to continue up to hit 57. So we got 57 right here, right? You're looking for this to continue up to hit 57. So you need a close above this line or at that line, but not below. So let me show you something about lawyer talk. The market closed here, open here, and then it opened down there. So if we were to do this, technically, it never closed underneath that line yet. So this is actually still an uptrend, people. I know people go, what the hell? How the hell do you figure that? Trust me, it is. I'm telling you now, that market never closed under that line. That's the kicker. It opened underneath that line, but it never closed under that line. So we're going to pause this video right now. We're going to come back at 8 o'clock, and I'm going to let y'all see the results of this. So what I'm saying is this. This is still going to go up. That's what I'm telling you. You know what I'm saying? Because this never closed underneath this line. You needed to close underneath this line for that to destroy your, for it to, cancel out your uptrend. But it's not. What it's going to do is it's probably going to go up and knock that out. All right? So we're going to wait. We're going to pause it right now. All right, I just want to bring y'all in on this. See there? Do you see what I'm saying? We're going to keep watching it. That's called lawyer talking and trading, people. I'm going to go a little bit more in depth with it. And basically what happens is this. Most of the time, the close is one of the most important parts of trading. So technically, when supports or resistance are created, you have to ask yourself, did it close at, above, or below? Those questions are very, very important. So let's say, for instance, if it would have just closed at it, but legally it never closed under it. So that means you can still go up. See, this is a trap, people. See, once it opened underneath that line, most people go, oh, that shit going down. No, it's not. Because you have to wait. Now, if it closed underneath the line, then yes, it's going down. Didn't I tell you that was going to happen? Didn't I tell you that was going to happen? Just like that. That's called lawyer talk. Now here's the big, now this is very important. If you notice, it stopped dead on the head of my line. Now what's going to happen in this situation, well, I ain't going to say what's going to happen. It doesn't matter anymore. Now this closed, if it closed underneath, it doesn't matter because see what happens is the market has took out what it was going to go get. That's gone, people. That's gone. Now what's happening is if this closed above this line, that could be a trap for a lot of people. If it closed under, you're better off. You right now to be on the safe side. For people who don't know what's going on, you're better off that thing closing underneath that line. I'm gonna tell you that right now, so you won't take that trade. Because right now, what's going to happen is a lot of y'all going to take this trade and think it's going to keep going up. Which I do have another line at 53 right there. I have one more line, but the main line was that one. But let me show you something. For the sake of this video, I want y'all to understand you have to be able to find those price targets. Just like mine, it hit dead on the head, didn't it? And it stopped right at my line while you were watching it. I can't Photoshop a video, no way. But Do you understand what I'm saying? You see how I hit dead at my price and it stopped. Well, now that price is gone. That price is gone. Price is no good anymore. But that's what I was trying to tell y'all about that lawyer talk. You got to be real careful that it close above, at, or below. That is so, so important. For the sake of most of y'all, oh, I got to go now. I got to get some stuff. For the sake of most, don't y'all leave yet. Hold on, I'm coming. For the sake of most of y'all, if it closed underneath it, that'd be the best thing for you. I know there's still more targets, but you don't. That's the difference. All right, Lincoln Metro.